Are you looking for a side hustle that you can work from home and don't have to worry about having any skills? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 work from home side hustles with no skills needed. And you're going to make $600 plus. So stay tuned. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Okay guys, I'm at the first website. Name of this website is missingmoney.com. So on this website, you'll be able to find money that is owed to you or your business. So what to expect? You're going to conduct your free search for bank accounts, safe deposit box contents, uncashed checks, insurance policies, CDs, trust funds, utility deposits, stocks and bonds, wages, and escrow accounts. So guys, this is a legit site, and again, all you have to do is put your name in there, and you might have some money owed to you from bank accounts you previously had, or escrow accounts, bonds. Now, as you can see, this has been seen on MarketWatch, CNBC, Today, US News, ABC News, and CBS News. So all you got to do, guys, when you come here, put in your name right here, click search, and it'll let you know if you have any money owed to you, or you can put your family member in there, friend, or if you had an old business, put that in there, and you'll find out if you have any money owed to you. Now, let me go to the second side hustle. Guys, I'm at the second side hustle. The name of this website is Neighbor. Now, once you come here, all you got to do is click on host, and you just click right here to list your space. Now, let's just read a little bit about this site. So you're in charge, so choose when and how renters use your space. We've got your back. We have 1 million in free coverage for you and your property protection plans available for the renters. No paperwork, no hassle. No additional contract required. Guaranteed money in your pocket. We'll handle the payments and automatically deposit it into your account each month. As simple as sweeping. All you need to do is clear a space. No need to run a bed or breakfast out of your house. And helping neighbors in need. Our renters need storage for everything from building a new home to escaping natural disasters. And here's some videos of people talking about this website. So rent out any storage place, no matter what size, as you can see here: garage, driveway, parking lot, basement, bedroom, shed, warehouse, carport, self-storage, closet, attic, street parking, shipping container, unpaved lot, and much more. So here are the 3 steps you need to take. Just list your spaces, respond to renters, schedule a move-in. It's that simple, guys. Now, guys, the amount of money you can make on this site, you can make up to $400 or $500 or even more a month with this website. So go to neighbor.com, sign up, and start renting out your space. Now let me go to the third and final side hustle. Okay guys, I'm at the third and final side hustle. Name of it is Etsy. So Etsy.com is where you can sell homemade items on this website. So as you can see, all these categories: personalized gifts, fall finds, Halloween, since Halloween is coming up, unique jewelry, home decor. So here's some of the popular gifts right now. If you have like a skill where you can make things, or if you have like t-shirts, as you can see here, you can put a design on t-shirts and sell it. See, look at these designs here. So, you know, if you have like a little hobby where you're doing certain things just to pass the time away, or it's just fun for you, you can turn your little hobby into a business and sell them on this site. Okay guys, I'm at the next website. This website works with Etsy. So what you do guys is use this website here, which works with Etsy, to sell custom products. So you can have like a design on a t-shirt. They're going to do everything for you guys. All you have to do is get the design, come to this website, put it on the shirt, and they'll put it on every item that they sell on this website. Could be a mug, could be a pillow, could be any type of item where you can be able to put a design on it. And they take care of the rest. And as you can see, they work with Etsy. So with this website and Etsy, you can start selling your items, and you can make up to 1,000 or 2,000 a month. All depends on your marketing and the item that you're selling is hot. So if I was you, I would find out what's hot on Etsy and duplicate that, put a little twist to the design. You can get design made real cheap for $5 on Fiverr. Get the design made and have Printify put that on all the items that they sell on this site, and you can start making money. So guys, if you want to go ahead and work with Etsy, go to Etsy.com, sign up, then sign up with Printify and start selling items and get this passive money. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Drop a comment down below. Give me a like. Share this video everywhere. Help this channel to grow. Alright guys, that's it. On that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.